Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie and I am doing a mixed mani Valentine mixed mani today using Thief of Hearts, which has two different designs on it. I'm not at my usual in my office. I'm actually at my daughter's, so hopefully this is coming in good. I did bring my little light, and I'm also using Rio Red, which has recently relaunched, and I'm just dying to wear this. It's so pretty. Hopefully these go together. So let's get into it. These are the small pinkies. I'm hoping I can stretch them so that they will fit. Oh, this is pretty sheer. Wow, I'm surprised at how sheer. But I wanted all these little hearts on my pinkies. Oh my. So let's hope, fingers crossed, I can stretch it just a little without distorting them too, and they'll fit. Very soft. Oh, I love all those little hearts. They are so cute. I didn't get that side. Oh, and it flipped to the other side. Okay, pretty sure it won't come off of there. Oh, no. So let's see. I'm gonna go this way. See if I can match it up. Yeah, because then I'll put the Color Street plumping top coat on, and it'll take care of any ridges, but it did go down pretty good, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay. I love these little hearts. So cute. So, my last mani video that I did, I asked where you think I was going for my vacation, and the answer is Hawaii. I don't even know where to begin. So we had a great time, except I did a bad thing. So I know I've talked a lot. Oh, look at that, a piece of it stuck on there. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. No. No. Look at this. Wow, lame. Hold on, let me find. So I do have the Nail Teaks Formula 2 that I'm using now. I was using the pink bottle when I did use all of that one bottle, and I switched to this one because I heard that you should. Anyway, so I haven't sealed this up yet, so I will get another one out for my other pinky. Any disclaimers are in the description box down below. I will use this one. Wow. Okay, let's do this other pinky. These are super soft. I didn't expect that. I mean, we don't usually anyway, right? There's a piece of glitter that got in under there that I'm just gonna leave it. Hopefully it doesn't make a bump. Nope. Okay, back to what I'm telling on myself, apparently. I have mentioned that I do no sugar, no grains. Well, October was 3 years that I switched to that way of eating. And so this is the first time cheated. And usually when we go to Hawaii, I don't cheat. But I did. I was just so hungry for saimin. If you don't know what that is, it's like ramen, but they call it saimin. So I was going to get that, but then instead I got fried noodles, which is fried saimin. And when we got there, so we got there on a Wednesday. And that afternoon is when we went to eat, and I ate that, and about an hour later I was in excruciating pain with my abdomen. Well, I thought it was like my pancreas, and it went around. It was on the left side, and it went around to my back. I have had a kidney stone like 22 years ago. It was worse than a kidney stone. Holy cow. It was worse than labor. I am telling you right now. And I didn't want to ruin the vacation. I almost had my husband take me to the hospital one night, but I didn't. I mean, I was like punching the bed, like hitting the bed with trying to go to sleep, and the pain being so bad. Like, it was so constant. It was like spasms in well, I thought it was my pancreas or my kidney. On my left side. I didn't know. I was, oh my gosh. So after that, I ate no sugar, no grains, because I thought if I don't, is this even gonna fit? I mean, if I go back to no sugar, no grains, which I only ate like one little meal, I thought that maybe it would stop. Nope. It's still going now, and it's been 12 days. Well, so we got back from the vacation, and on Sunday, not today, Sunday, and Monday, I was like, I can't do this. I gotta go to the hospital. So my husband took me to the ER, and it actually wasn't too long of a wait. They have it set up so different. But let me just tell you, does anybody else's hospitals make you feel like you're going through airport security? Ours, oh, that was that extra. Ours do, because of shootings. What has the world come to? It's something. Anyway, yeah, so they did a CAT scan, and it's my stomach. All my other organs are so good. Even my kidneys. Like, I had stage 3 kidney disease, okay? They say you can't reverse it, but I did reverse it. Well, some doctors say you can't. I did reverse it with my way of eating. Had I not changed my ways, I'm sure, and stopped taking ibuprofen, I'm sure it wouldn't have reversed. But anyway, everything came back great except for my stomach. My liver, everything, my pancreas. I really was afraid it was my pancreas. Pancreas? It doesn't even sound right. But it wasn't. So, I've been on 2 medications, and I can't even, like, I've tried skipping them. Oh my gosh. The pain. Oh my. So sorry. I don't know if these even go together, but they're sure pretty. One medicine coats my stomach, and the other one stops the spasms. So, yeah, that's what I shortened my nails, but I don't think that's gonna fit even with the shortened. I don't want to try stretching it, because I can't set it, lift it up once it's down, right, with a base coat on, so I'm just not even gonna mess with it. Anyway, so as long as I take that medicine, I'm okay, but I have an appointment with a endocrinologist not until March 6th, and to me, that's like unacceptable, but I guess there's that many people that need to be seen, right? And luckily, I've, been to this doctor because of my, what are they called? Oh, I can't even think what they're called for colon cancer. He's my doctor for that, so I've been there. So I have history with them. Otherwise, they would have had to wait for, oh my gosh, Rio Red, you guys. Rio Red is, wow. Anyway, so I'm kind of nervous because come Monday, the 12th, I'm going to run out of the medicines, and they haven't received the paperwork from the hospital yet. So I'm just like, I gotta get busy and see what I can do about that. These are gonna be upside down. God, this is sheer. I cannot believe how sheer this is. I didn't even know. Anyway, yeah. So that's that. And then I was just like, I can't have anything wrong with me. I'm babysitting from the 9th. Well, it only kind of shows one heart. The 9th to the 20th. My grandkids. But they did take Molly, the 2 youngest, with them on their trips. So that's good. Oh my gosh, I got a wrinkle. Can't believe I got a wrinkle. But once I put on the top coat, it should take care of that wrinkle. I'm just kind of, I wish I would have used this end where it has that small heart. But, yeah. So, yeah, as long as I take that medicine. I guess you could say I'm okay. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. It just wants to wrinkle. I got it. Goodness. Wow, really? This is just soft and so thin. Kind of irritating. And thumbs, but I love the Rio Red. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see. It's because I don't have my regular lighting. I have one of them, but I can't bring all my lights. Set it up on their big dining room table. Yeah. It's so weird to say, I had to shorten my nails. That's not something I have ever had an issue with. Oh man, talk about pretty. This, I love a red anyway, but this, with this extra red. Extra red with the glitter, I mean. We have our launch on Tuesday for spring. I am so excited about these sets, most of them. There's a couple I could do, take it or leave it, but I will get one of all of them, at least one of all of them. Some of them I will most likely get more than one. A few of them. Got this little and that little right here. Let's see if I can push it down. There we go. All right, last one. You can't hear that. My grandson Mario does have a nurse tonight, thank goodness. I've had him all weekend. I mean, not that that's a problem, but I needed to film. So, one of my grandsons, 12-year-old, he wanted to watch the Super Bowl. So he got the TV and Mario had to just have his tablet. And Mario knows when Grammy's here, I usually give him the TV. He usually has it. And if the other kids want the TV, I'll let them watch it and I'll take Mario in his room. Well, he had the TV all day. And the Super Bowl came on. I changed it to regular TV so the Super Bowl could be watched, and Mario threw a fit. This doesn't even, well, it kind of goes with that, but I thought it would bring out some of these colors here, like the darker, almost purpley hearts. Anyway, he threw fits the whole entire day while the Super Bowl was playing. He had his helmet on the whole entire time because he wanted to hit everybody with his head, and he hits hard. Anyway, here it is. I will post my nail fees, and I will see you next time. Ciao.